You can earn instant free PayPal money with these free sources that I'll share with you today. You can start from anywhere in the world and no experience is required. Just make sure to stay until the end so you can get every step right. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online. And you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up to support me and also a comment down below if you want to ask me anything. With that said, I'm going to start now with today's tutorial so I can show you everything, and just make sure to stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused since I'm going to give you multiple apps and platforms. So let's start with the first one, which is over at Remotasks.com. So this platform is going to get you paid in US dollars by you doing some online tasks from home. So you can work from the comfort of your home and you're going to get paid again and again. They have more than 240,000 of taskers, and also they have paid out more than $50 million to their members. So this platform supports like more than 90 countries all around the world. So this shows that it can work for your country too. Is pretty much available all around the world. So you have people from Kenya, Vietnam, Venezuela, Philippines, and so on that are members to this platform. So you can even see more testimonials down here. You're going to see how it works. You're going to do some tasks and get paid for that, and these tasks consist of labeling images, transcribing audios, and so on and so forth. You're going to learn easily. You don't need any experience because they are going to give you some free online courses or training for you to learn how you can do those tasks, and then you can work on tasks from projects that you have unlocked. So you're going to see that you're going to get paid in US dollars weekly. So you can get paid even through PayPal and RTM. So PayPal is available for those of you that love it. So you're going to see that you're going to get paid based on your quality and also on the number of tasks that you have completed. So as I said before, no prior experience is required since they are going to train you. They are going to give you some online courses for free, so you can see how it works, everything, and also how you can do those tasks. Down here you're going to notice that you can level up and earn more. So the more difficult the task is, the more money you're going to make. So you can work from anywhere and anytime. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, and you can enjoy the safety, flexibility of working from your home, which is pretty awesome. Down here you have some other information and also some frequently asked questions that you can even check out by yourself because they are going to be relevant to you if you want to start with a remote task. You can just explore this platform a little bit to know more about this platform. So you can see how you're going to earn, how to withdraw your earnings, and so on and so forth. So in order to get started with remote task, you need to just click on the sign up button up here, and in the next page you're going to first agree to the terms of service, and then you can continue with your Facebook account or Google account because like this is a lot faster and easier. So I want to mention that you're going to have a consistent work since there are new projects always coming in and you can never run out of new tasks to complete. So you can have even long-term projects to complete that you can consistently work on. You're going to get paid every week just like we mentioned before, and you can earn a living by working from your home, which is pretty awesome. So you can start right away with the remote tasks. This is over at remotasks.com. Let me proceed to the other platforms, which are very different from these ones, but I wanted to give you different platforms so you can choose the one that you like the most, but you can also combine all of them if you want to make the most money. The second one is called SurveyTime, and it's over at surveytime.io. So from the name you can guess that you're going to complete some surveys in order to get paid, and you can get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey that you complete. So you're going to see that you can sign up with your Facebook account, Google account, or Twitter account, which is a lot faster and easier. Or you can even put your email address over here and your password, and even the service will be sent to this email. Then agree to the terms and conditions and then click on the Start Now button. You're going to notice that they have like 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. You can check out some of the reviews over there, and also they're going to pay you through different payment methods like PayPal, Coinbase, Amazon gift cards, and even Target. So all of the platforms that I give you today are paying you in PayPal money, so you can even open just one PayPal account and you can just grow your balance over there and cash out again and again. So I want to mention that you have like another way to make money with SurveyTime. You can see down here the affiliate section. You can promote SurveyTime as an affiliate and you can get paid again and again. And make sure to mention these features down here whenever you are going to promote SurveyTime. They are ranked 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. They offer you like a lot of payment methods, PayPal, Amazon, and even Payoneer, and also some other features as well that you need to mention. You can just apply to their ambassador program, just like they called it, by putting your email address over here, full name, Skype username, and click on the continue button. So you can even make money in passive income and also maximize your earnings with SurveyTime. So I'm going to proceed to the third and last platform for today, which is over at BuzzBreak.news. This is their official website, but of course you can download an app over at App Store and Google Play Store, just like you see over here, and you can make money from your smartphone or tablet. So you can see that they have more than 10 millions of users. You have here some testimonials. It's very fun to watch and read the articles while earning money on it. So you're going to watch some funny videos, read some articles and news, which is something that we do on a daily basis. You're going to earn some points that you can then redeem for money and rewards. So you're going to even see that people share stories and they are getting paid for doing that. So as we mentioned before, they offer an app on the App Store and Google Play Store, so you can use it from your iOS or Android device. You can see it. It's available over at App Store and also here on Google Play Store with more than 600,000 of reviews and 3.6 stars. It's very informative and addictive app, and you're going to get paid for that. So you can even check out the reviews and let me know in the comments down below what you think about BuzzBreak, because it seems that it has changed a little from the time that I've used it and cash out. So this was the last platform I wanted to share with you. As I mentioned before, if you want to earn the most money, to maximize your results, you can even use all the platforms that I shared with you today, or you can just use one of them, the one that you like the most. So it depends on you, on how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the most money and the desired results. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. So if you did, give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial on how to make money online.